Traders from around the world, how's it going? This is Jerremy Newsome with Real Life Trading. Man, I do hope you're doing fantastic. Got a lot of updates for today, a lot of things to talk about. I'm just really pumped. So let's talk about the market really quickly. I'll look at a few stocks, and that'll probably be about it. I can't contain the excitement for too long. So the IWM, we had the trigger, the bullish trigger at 121.93. I'll just quote a good friend of mine who was in the trading room, Steph, and she mentioned, "What more could you ask for?" You had the one white soldier candle off the 200 simple moving average, off of the support. I did get in bullish, and my target is 124.52 with August calls on the IWM. QQQ, same exact thing. Got triggered into the Qs the other day. A little bit of a black candle, which really isn't that, I mean, it's not scary by any means, right? It's a gap up, lower volumes, a retest gap, stocks pulling back, probably does something like this, and then continues a little bit higher, maybe up to some of these targets around 113.50 and some change potentially. But here's the exponential moving averages on the Qs, and as you guys all know, I still kind of anticipate that the Qs at some point reaches its 2,000 high. I don't know if it happens anytime soon, but I assume it happens before the end of 2016. Oh, I'm sorry, we're in 2015. Yeah, the end of this year. Here's the SPY, a little bit of a gap up, again, a little bit of a retest gap. It's just getting near and closer to some resistance levels. Back on the 27th of July, we got into this bull put spread down here, the 201-200. Brad Golson, Jonathan Higgins, Orchin, a lot of other traders in this particular one, and Karen's in a 215-218 bear call spread. So that's way, way up here. And truth be told, this is a very, very strong resistance. Good friend of mine, Ken Freeman, today in the room asked me, hey, where is bear call spread territory on the SPY? And I think we just get a little bit higher. 212, 213-ish, somewhere right around there. If we make it up there, I think we do, but we'll find out. If we make it a little bit higher, I think then we could really start considering another spread, maybe for August and maybe even for September. 215, 216, 216, 217. I still kind of think we get one more rollover at some point, something like that, and then the final thrust on the Santa rally, maybe. We'll see. I'm not really entirely positive, but that's just kind of how I'm playing that out. So there's the SPY, and of course the DIA. DIA, we have the bull put spread expiring today. Yay! This is the one. Where did it go? I think I deleted it. Did I delete it? Oh, Snapdragons. It's the 171, 172 bull put spread expiring today. I don't know when I deleted that or why. I wonder if I can go back. Does this allow me to go back? Oh, Snuffleupagus. I messed it up. Oh well. You guys can go back and watch Wednesday's recording if you want. Anyway, there is the spread. It's expiring today. It's going to go to options heaven, flutter away. It should be just fine and nothing really interesting on the DIA. Let's talk a few gaps today. I'll look at Apple really quick and we'll talk gaps. So Apple trading down just a smidge today. It's at 121.30. Guess where the 200 simple moving average is, ladies and gentlemen? The 200 simple moving average is at 120.70 and some change, 76. Waiting for a bounce off that bad boy. It's here. It's coming. Anywhere in this general range, if you're looking to pick up some shares, buy some calls, find a bounce, we're here. We retested the gap. We're rolling over. I'm looking for the bounce. I'm super pumped about it, and I'm ready for it. Be ready. Also, Brian Bodie, his 120 Apple put sale expires today. Should expire worthless. Obviously, everything is subject to change due to volatility, but the market's still open. You only got 2 hours and 45 minutes left. That should expire just fine. Let's talk about RCL, Royal Caribbean. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a very strong gap on Royal Caribbean. Very, very strong gap. Watch this one for some swing trades. I'm going to talk a little bit about this one today in the afternoon trading floor. And, great gap and go, above resistance. There's your prior black candle. People are trapped. Phenomenal gap. So we're going to be watching this one on the hourly chart, but I'm willing to make some type of wager at some point that Royal Caribbean at least goes a little bit higher, but I think $100 is probably a pretty good target. Maybe for something like this, and then like that. Bullish on Royal Caribbean. Looks great. Keep an eye out for that one. Put it on your watch list and come back for some more stock reviews to check out my analysis on that. CCL, Carnival. We actually are in Carnival. We've been in since the pullback as the swing trade on Carnival. This was a retest gap. There was the retest. I think we had a limit buy at 51.68. Limit buy happened, and today we gapped up. This is a retest gap. Gap up. It's a retest gap, waiting for it to pull back a little bit, and then hopefully make it to our target of $55. What else should we talk about? Not tons and tons of... Well, actually, there were a lot of gaps today. There really were. I'm just trying to think of what else, if there's anything else I need to chat about. Caterpillar, I'll look at Caterpillar and then we'll... let's look at 2 or 3 more. Caterpillar. So Caterpillar triggered me in bearish at 77.72. Stop on that position is 80.24. Here is the strong support. Broke the support, retesting, a lot of bullish volume. So I'm keeping my eyes on this one. If it gets topped out, no big deal. It's just a 1-hour loss. But I really am excited to see if Caterpillar can kind of roll over and inch its way down and maybe, metamorphosize into a good trade at some point. I'm excited to see if that happens. Really quick, guys, here's what I'm excited about. I want to show you guys the reallifetrading.com website, reallifetrading.com. There's a few very small changes I just want you guys to be aware of. A few more coming right around the corner. Check this out. If you click on education, notice we got Spanish classes and we got French classes ready to go. Those are created and ready for the world. Now, I did have to hire translators. Hire translators, not specifically hire, but there are people who are translating these classes. As you guys know, I do not speak Spanish and French. So since I'm not teaching the classes, these are a paid product. They're a premium product for those who speak Spanish or speak French and maybe want to prefer to learn the stock market in their language. These are the beginning classes. Here you guys go. These are the Spanish, all in Spanish. These are our beginning classes for swing traders, for someone who works full time. So if you know someone or have a friend who speaks Spanish or is fluent in Spanish or prefers to learn the stock market in Spanish, ladies and gentlemen, this information is very rare in the stock market. Something other than English. Spanish and French. Real Life Trading is going to be one of the first. Mark your calendars. This day is historic. Got a lot more languages coming down the road. Got Egyptian. Hopefully one day we'll have Mandarin, Arabic, German is being worked on, Russian's being worked on. I'm pumped, ladies and gentlemen. Real Life Trading, we're going to enrich lives, and I appreciate each and every one of you guys being here for that. Also, just one other thing, I have gotten a lot of inquiries about this, and I just want to make sure we're totally clear. And I apologize if I'm scaring you guys about this. I'm not trying to. But yes, the rooms are not changing. They're not going away. It's just the prices right now are going away. The afternoon swing trading floor, it's our swing trading class. We do track all of the swing trades every single day. I post the video. They're there. I don't post videos, but I post the links. So if you are looking at, this is what the swing trade journal looks like. I'll bring that over here. So those are for people who work full time. Right now, we are at 3.32R on the month for our official swing trades. Those are the ones that have closed. There are still a few active and some that are still open and now have not been closed. But we do track our swing trades now. We do track our cred spreads. We do track our put sales. If you're someone who works full time, this is the class for you. And if you're someone who wants to learn how to day trade or maybe has a little bit more of a flexible job, we have the morning room, which is Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The afternoon room is Monday through Friday, 5 to 6. These classes, ladies and gentlemen, they're not going away. They're just getting increased in value pretty significantly. Right now, you can actually get both of these. Yes, both. For $149, as of August 4th, that price will change by a pretty vast percentage. So if you want to get in there, just kind of slide in and hop in. I mean, we got a lot of people interested, a lot of people sign up. I want you to be there. I'm pumped, ladies and gentlemen. Real Life Trading is going places, and the places that we're going are the hearts and the minds of people all around the world, and it's all thanks to you, your support and your encouragement. Thank you for all that you do. I really appreciate it. If you have any questions at any time, please feel free to reach out to me. Have an amazing weekend. Check your inbox. We got some really cool classes coming up. Next week, we're teaching a debit spread class called All You Need to Know About Calendar Spreads. It's intense! Have a great weekend, guys. I'll see you later.